cerebellum, and this whole thing is cerebrum. So for cerebellum, this is the part. Cerebral, we have got two cerebral hemispheres, and in the center, we have got a great longitudinal fissure. So this part is called the great longitudinal fissure. Now we are going to look at the lobes, various lobes of the cerebrum, and we have got the frontal lobes, and here is some kind of demarcation you can see, which is the central sulcus. Okay, so it divides the frontal lobe, it separates the frontal lobe from the parietal lobe. Then you have a temporal lobe on this side and the occipital lobe on this side. So these are the different parts. Then corpus callosum we are going to see on the sagittal view, and then this is the this part is the spinal cord. So spinal cord, and now we will go to the, and this is the transverse fissure. This was longitudinal, this is transverse. Now we go to the other part, and here you will see the midbrain starts from this point up to this point. This whole thing is called brain stem. Okay, so here we have pons. So this first bumpy structure is the pons. Second bumpy structure is the medulla oblongata. All right. So these are the parts you have got all labeled in the diagrams, and I want you to color them so that you guys can see it clearly. Anybody has any question on the external features? Looks good? Okay. So this is this white structure is all spinal cord. Okay. Now we are going to cut a sagittal section of this one. And I'm going to cut from the longitudinal part.